Hello, in this video, I will show you how to fix a company portal missing issue. For example, if your device you are not able to find company portal, so one thing you can do, you can install it without any admin rights. For that, you have to just go and search company portal in the Google and find the company portal store. So once you are there, you can just download this company portal app and just try to install this. You don't need any privilege to install this. So basically, even in a work environment, you can install it like this. So now you can see the company portal is installing and it is ready here. Next, in case if company portal you install, but if it is still missing, the option might be if your device local language is different. For example, if it is not English, then you have to search company portal in the local language. That means like, for example, if so you put company portal here, and for example, if your device local language is German, just type your German, so you will find this, and you have to search this instead of company portal in the search here to find the company portal shortcut. So thank you for watching this video. If it is useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye.